Hello, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a meeting for evaluating the interesting role of asset and analysis that factors that could influence its price in the future. This form of analysis is based on exacting events and influences as well as financial strategies and industrial trends. Fundamental analysis is an of two major meeting of market analysis, which the other being technical analysis. While technical tradings will derive all the information they need to trade from charts, fundamental trader look of factors other of the price moving of the S in files. Example of fundamental analysis. There are voices, tools, and technicals that can be used from fundamental analysis, but they have been categorized into two types of fundamental analysis: top-down analysis and bottom-up analysis. Top-down analysis takes a broader view of the economy, starting with the intermarket before narrowed down info sector, industry, and finally second company. Convert but-on analysis starts with specials stock and widens out to concerns of the factory that impose its price. Most fundamental analysis is used for evaluations that price, but it can be used across a range of asset class, choose and bonds and forex. The tools that trading make choose for their fundamental analysis vary dependent of which asset is being traded. For example, that trading make choose to look of the figures in a company's earning report, revealing earning part that project growth or profit magnets. While forex trading may choose to use that figures realized but central banks that allow insight into the state of a country's economy. Pros of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps trading and investors to guess the right information to make rotation decisions about that position to take by basing that decision on finance data that is limited room for person dice. That then end-to-end exam point fundamental analysis seek to understand the role of the asset so that trading can take a much longer time view of the market. Once the trading has determined a normality rule of the asset, they can company it to the correct market price to asset that the asset of all own under valued that is to the profile from the market correction. Cons of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis can be time consuming. It requires multiples are for analysis which can make the process extremely complicated. As fundamental analysis take a much long term, will the market the results of the findings are not setting for question decisions. Trading look to create motions for attain and exempted trading in the stock that make be better sitting to technical analysis. It's also important to consider the best and the worst case scanning, which fundamental analysis proves more will risks will of the market. It is process for economy, politic of legislative, a challenge of supermarkets. What is trading? Trading is a definition of also the buying and selling of which meeting contrast for difference are developed blog because they enable you to special on finance market. So shows focus induce and commodity which help to take ownership of the industrial assets. Instead than you trade, you are agreeing to example the difference in the price of an as from the point at which the contract is open to the it is closed. The of the main benefit of trading is that you can special on price movements in it directing with the profit or loss you mark depends on the extent to which you profit incorrect. Short and long trading explained. Trading enables you to special on price movements in it other direct so will you can mimic and trading trade that profit is a market risk in price. You can also and positive that will profit as the indirect market decrease in price. That is referred to as selling or going short as opposite to buying on long. If you think Apple shares going off one in price, for example, you close will chase on the company. You still exercise the difference in price between when your process is opened and then is closed, but will earn a profit in the truth drop in price and loss of the increase in price. Goodbye.